Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 Wildcat Maxx. This is the model 266 MEX. It's a rear kitchen, front bedroom. You can see the fiberglass nose cap on the front, very distinctive Wildcat logo across its chest. LED light rope built right in, and a tough rhino coating on that cap. Power hitch jack, LED lights, slam latch compartments, jacks on all four corners. These are the thicker sidewalls, the 2-inch sidewalls, so you are going to enjoy the better insulation. Plus, here's our storage. You don't have to worry about D-lam because the thin ones seem to have the issues. This little container right here has a garbage pail. We'll look into that when we go inside. Spare tire, camera ready rear ladder, of course power awning, and LED light rope. Outside speakers. Here's the model. All season 266 MEX. Let's take a step inside. By the way, the stairs on these is solid step. Look how wide the top one is. The bonus is when you're coming out of this trailer, you really got something big there to plant your foot on. You don't have to aim. Very a safety feature, actually. Here we are inside. Rich colors going on, especially with the piping on the brown furniture here. You've got recliners facing flat panel TV and a fireplace with a stereo receiver in the middle. And we've got our dinette booth, again the same type of material combined with a cloth. Storage underneath so you can actually get to those things without taking it apart, and it makes into a bed so you have guest sleep. Pantry storage, here we go, look at that. Enough for extended stay for sure. This is the nice thing about a rear kitchen. You get all this countertop space and these big bright windows right by the meal prep area. Remember that garbage pail? There it is down there. Great for getting rid of your table scraps and an easy way to discard them for later. Silverware drawers, Furion oven, 3-burner stove on the top, microwave, which is also Furion, glass panel cabinets. Notice the hidden hinges. Skylight above, it's nice and bright in here. This refrigerator, 12 volt. New technology allows us to run off the batteries, or if you're plugged in, you have endless power, and your car will actually power it too. So that is, the world is a turning. The bathroom right here, all in one. We've got a foot flush toilet, our sink, vanity, some linen storage, and this Neo style magnetic shower with the skylight over the top, and a fantastic fan. That's for travel. You just secure them one-handed. I'll get more practice than most. Okay, and off to the bedroom. Down this little hallway here, and voila, here we are. Got a queen-size bed, nightstands on both sides. These are cut up high so they don't come down real low, which makes it just hard to make the bed, hard to get in bed, that kind of thing. And we got a nice pillow top mattress here too. Couple different types of lights you can see inside. These lamps right beside the bed. Where is the on-offers on these puppies? There we go. And kind of a nice little ambience there, combined with the lights up above and a spot for another TV. It's a 2020 all-season travel trailer, which is great for the Pacific Northwest, and it's right here at Gibbs RV, this Wildcat Maxx 266 MEX. See us online at www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.